Hello, today we will be making a easy veggie-packed chickpea spaghetti. Before cooking, be sure to wash your hands and ensure that all equipment is clean. The first step is to grab a large high-walled pot and fill it halfway up with water. We're going to bring this water to a boil, so set it to high heat. Once boiling, add the noodles, and since they're whole wheat noodles, they will take longer to cook, approximately 10 to 13 minutes. We are then going to mince 2 or 3 garlic cloves. Now, we're going to roughly chop a large handful of spinach. It doesn't matter if it looks like a lot, it will shrink during cooking. Now, we'll gather our cans of tomatoes and open them. Should be 3 cans of diced and 1 can of crushed. On a large pot, heat up oil. Once the oil is warm, we're going to add our bag of frozen vegetables. Cook on medium heat until all are softened and warm. Next, we'll add our garlic and cook for 1 minute, stirring frequently. Now, we will add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, stir frequently, and then add black pepper to taste. Once the seasonings are added, go ahead and add all of your tomatoes, starting with the diced tomatoes. Now we're going to add our spinach and stir it up. And now it's chickpea time. Add 1 can of chickpeas. Now you're going to stir it and bring it to a boil for it to reduce into a thicker sauce. Once your sauce is thickened, add your noodles. Once your noodles are added, you're done, and your spaghetti is ready to enjoy.